Father and son, they are out fishing. And look who is eating instead of fishing. This is what we're using for bait. Some earthworm. Blech. Madam. Beautiful. No fish. No. Holy shoot, look at these two lizards.
Oh my gosh!
Look at that. I throw the mandarin skin down there. What? They're eating it. Oh my god, Island, you seen this?
Yes! I saw the lizard.
Oh my god. What in the hell? There's one down here. There he is. He's right down there. Careful, Island.
I can't see. Where
Yeah,
are they?
it's hard to see. Come. Look who's here having strawberry. Where's my strawberry? I swear the rod was just shaking a while ago. Oh, yes it is. Come closer, Bobo, and feel it. Oh, I got it, Bobo. Come. Come. Oh, big fish. Come, Island. Come. Oh, hold the rod. Oh, reel it. This one. Yeah. Hopefully we can get. I forgot the name of this one. Oh, look, Bobo. Are you seeing this?
Yeah.
Ooh. Wait. Don't pull anymore. Oh, shoot. We pull too much.
No way. It's moving away.
Alright, hold the rod. Step back. Look at that, Bobo. Are you seeing that? Yes, sir. We caught fish, Bobo.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I forgot the name of this fish. Let's go, Bobo. Pitch the time. So, alright, put that down. Ooh, this is gonna be tricky. But I'm gonna want you to hold it. Trust me. You trust me, Island? You trust Dad? You trust me? Come. I'm gonna let you hold it. I want you to hold it like that. I'm gonna get a picture, okay?
Okay.
Alright, don't do anything yet.
My little baby.
Hold it up, yeah? Now I want you to look at me. Smile, give me a big smile. Yeah, give me a big smile. That is beautiful.
Can I put it down now? I got a fish. Let's go.
Now look at my son. Where you say, bossy? Caught this one for the first time in the river. And if you all think that I just bought this fish from the shop, look at that. Don't you see that fish is moving?
Squeeze it.
Yeah.
Squeeze it.
This is exciting.
Let me squeeze it.
Don't squeeze it. So this is called a carp. So basically I don't think we're supposed to return it to the water. Carp, I think you're supposed to get rid of them. So, yeah.
So let's get rid of them.
My day is complete. I caught a fish with my son. I feel amazing. Smile. Give me a big smile.